I was sent this solar street light at no charge for the purpose of this review, so let's go ahead and take this out of the box and check it out. All right, in the box it comes with a mounting pole and a bracket that goes on the back of this mounting pole. It comes with the mount that mounts this pole to the light itself. It comes with a manual to help you understand exactly how this light's supposed to work. And it comes with 3 types of mounting hardware based upon how you're gonna mount this. It also comes with batteries for the remote. So you can turn this thing on and then control it from the ground. And then of course it comes with the light itself. So it's a nice big light. It's got a lot of clusters of LEDs here. It's got an on and off button right here that you can turn it on and off. As you can see, it's very bright. It has a motion sensor on the front that will allow it to turn on or off or increase intensity based upon the motion sensing. And it's got the solar panel on top that allows it to be charged with no electrical connection. This is a nice solar panel. It's got a nice glass cover on it. And of course, on this side, it's got the solar panel that's gonna be facing the sun. You probably wanna mount this in a way where you can get optimal sunlight, but that's not always something that is easy to do. So just understand based upon how you mount this and how much direct sunlight you get throughout the day will be how much of a charge this lamp is going to get. So if you were mounting this on the pole, you'd put the pole in here like this. This would be the mounting bracket to mount it to this pole. Then you would have, of course, this much extension off of whatever you're mounting it to. This here itself can mount to, again, another type pole, and then this mounts to the back of that to tighten it. So if you're putting it on, let's say like a 4x4 post or some kind of square post, then you would put the bolts in to mount it, or you could mount it directly into the side of something, you know, just whatever you decide. And then you would use this mounting hardware to get it mounted. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring this outside, let the sun charge this light all the way up and get it ready to be mounted. All right, so I mounted this on a pole at the top of our fence, and it is pointing into the sun to gather some sunlight. Of course, it's been kind of cloudy these last week or so, but it looks like it's charging, and I'm gonna come back out once it gets darker so we can test the light and the remote and the motion sensor. All right, so it is getting darker outside, and I'm gonna show you some of the features of this light. So I can just press the on button with the remote. Now it's on, pretty bright. So I'm gonna drop that down a little bit. That's 25%. The remote actually has 25, 50, 75, and 100. And then you can do 2 hours, 3 hours, 5 hours, 8 hours, 6 hours. I mean, it's got all these different hour settings, and it looks like it works pretty good. So again, off, on. That's 100% right there, which is very bright, brights up this whole area. Let me check the motion on it. When you set it to motion, it drops down to about 30% light and stays like this until it detects motion. Then it kicks up to 100%. And then if you give it a little bit time, it drops back down. Very cool. I like it. It provides a whole lot of light for this area. So yeah, this seems to be very useful. Definitely like it. If this is what you're looking for, I think you'll like it too. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.